Hi, I'm Alexandra Minakova. These are my makeup tricks, and today I'm gonna break down 5 tricks with one Maybelline matte lipstick. I chose a peachy tone. It's a Maybelline matte lipstick, and I just put on a plain layer and let it dry for a bit. So the first trick is to use the highlighter over your lipstick, and I'm gonna use my rosy golden rose highlighter. And the next trick is to put a darker contour under or over your lipstick. I will put it over because I already have the layer and the highlighter. I chose Essence Brown Rollout Lip Pencil. The tone is Cinnamon Spice. It matches my skin tone, my hair tone very well, so I love brown pencils on my lips in general. And I'm putting it right over the lip line just to make my lips look fuller. So trick number 3 is to put a gloss over your matte lipstick. You can choose different tones, of course, and you can also put it just over the plain layer of the matte lipstick because I already have contour here, but I'm gonna put it right over what I have here. I chose my Sephora Nude. The tone is called Perfect Nude, by the way, number 4, and it's almost finished, but I love it. Trick number 4 will be very good for dancers and stage shows, makeups. I'm gonna create ombre effect on my lips, so I'm using 2 matte lipsticks for that purpose. One is the peachy tone that I've used before, and another one is caramel, more brown-ish tone. That's gonna go to my corners. And the most important thing here is not to let your first layer dry, because once it's dry, it's almost impossible to mix it all together. So you have to do it really, really fast. It's still glowy, and after it all dries, you can still put on some highlighter, especially in the middle, and it might look good with the more intense eyes like smokies or some bold arrows, but it's nice. And trick number 5 is pretty much same as we did with highlighter, but this time I'm gonna use eyeshadows over my matte lipstick because I believe that you can experiment in any way as long as it's your favorite product. It has great texture, you don't have any allergies to it. I think you can be creative and mix it all up however you want. I had very interesting experiments with different tones of matte lipstick and putting different shades of eyeshadows over, and it just depends on your general makeup style and tone. Today I've chosen the peachy matte lipstick tone, and I'm using my Sephora golden shimmery eyeshadows over and sort of watercoloring it all and blended it all together with my highlighter, with my lips, and with my eyeshadows. And it looks really fresh and glowing.